If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. In a relational database, you aren't supposed to have records in a child or related table which have no reference to a matching value in a related record in a parent table. For example, in a sales table that contains a customer ID field, any reference placed into the customer ID field should correspond to a valid customer ID in the customer's table. However, this isn't always the case. If properly constructed from the start, enforcing referential integrity on access tables ensures you do not have unmatched records. But if creating a new access database from data that was not stored in a relational database that had referential integrity checks, then you may have unmatched field references in your tables. Using the Find Unmatched query finds the records in a child table field that do not contain any valid reference to a record in a parent table. Such records are said to be orphaned. You can then recreate the necessary reference in the records that appear, maintaining data validity. To create a Find Unmatched query, click the Query Wizard button that appears in the Queries button group on the Create tab of the ribbon. Select the Find Unmatched Query Wizard in the New Query dialog box that appears, and then click the OK button to open the Find Unmatched Query Wizard. In the first screen, select the name of the table or query that may contain unmatched or orphaned records. Then click the Next button to continue. In the second screen, select the name of the parent table that contains the records that should contain the matching values for the records in the first table. Then click the Next button to continue. In the third screen, select the names of the two fields in each table by which to join the two tables. Then click the button in the middle to link the two fields for the duration of the query to find the unmatched records. Then click the Next button to continue. In the next screen, select any additional fields to show in the query results from the Available Fields list, and then click the right pointing arrow button to move them to the Selected Fields list. Then click the Next button to continue. In the last screen, type a name for the query into the field provided. Then click the Finish button to show the records from the first table that contain no matching records in the second table. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.